All right, everyone, I'm back here for another video. So if this is your first time on the channel, hi, my name is Alex Tevez. I've been day trading for over 10 and a half years, and I made over $8.7 million trading, and will pop up my broker statements on the screen right now. So today's video is gonna be about day trading versus investing. So funny story, before I ever got involved into the stock market, I thought the only way to make money was through long-term investing, meaning the things that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger do. I thought anyone that wanted to get involved in the stock market had to just buy and hold forever, and after 45 years, maybe you'd make 100 grand. So to me, the stock market was never really appealing because I didn't know what day trading was, and I didn't know that it existed. So day trading pretty much means you trade intraday only and you go cash overnight. It means that you do not hold any position overnight. You are trading between the day and that's it, you're cash at close. What is investing? Investing is more longer term, where you hold for weeks, months, years, and maybe even decades, like Warren Buffett. So there are two very different styles of trading. So let me explain some pros, let me explain some cons, and then you could decide which one is best for you. So the first thing is, day trading has higher risk, but also higher reward, whereas longer term investing is lower risk and lower reward. For the stocks that I trade, I mostly trade small cap companies. I trade stocks between $1 and $10. These stocks are normally very volatile, meaning they move up and down a lot every single day. As a day trader, that's exactly what you're looking for to make money. The long-term S&P 500 averages about 10% every single year. These small cap stocks are moving hundreds of percent a day. So if you're able to catch one of those moves, you can make 10, 20, 30% in one day. How is that possible? If you're trading a $5 stock and it moves 50 cents a share, you've already made 10% return in a couple minutes or a couple hours. There's often times that I make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% in one day with day trading. Whereas with investing, when's the last time you've seen Apple or Amazon go up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% in a day? It doesn't happen. The most they go up is 5 to 10% on earnings, but that's a crapshoot anyway. How are you gonna guess the earnings? There's certain tax implications about day trading versus investing as well. There's something called short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains. So basically, short-term capital gains means that if you are in and out of a position in less than 1 year, you are taxed at a higher rate. If you buy and sell a position for over 1 year, that is called long-term capital gains, and you are taxed at a lower rate. So although day trading may have more profit potential, it may also have higher tax implications. That's why a lot of these long-term investors like to buy and hold for over a year so that they can have lower taxes. Here are some common misconceptions about day trading versus investing. Everyone thinks that day trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. I mean, you guys have heard the stat, 90% of traders lose money. It's because 90% of traders enter the market with a gambling mentality. For me, trading is as simple as three things: finding the right stocks to trade, having the right strategy to trade them, and making sure I'm able to repeat that strategy. So if you treat it like gambling and you ignore all that stuff, you're gonna have gambling results. Now, what about investing? People think investing is as simple as buy and hold forever. That's wrong. You need to be able to do the proper research for these companies and make sure that long term that they're gonna pay off. For example, do you guys remember when Meta, Facebook, went from $300 to nearly $90 a share? If you're investing and you're holding, you might have panicked out seeing your account down 70%. But if you understood and did your research and knew that they were actually investing in AI, well, now Meta is $600 a share and it would have paid off. So long as you are understanding what the long-term vision of investing is, then that is your edge. So let me explain what I do, right? Am I a day trader? Am I an investor? What am I? I understand that 90% of hedge funds cannot beat the S&P 500. So what I like to do is I like to take my short-term gains from stocks and move them into longer-term investments that pay me dividends. So I don't think there is either one is better than the other. I think that you have to do both. I think you have to take the short-term money that you make from trading, then invest it into longer-term assets that generate income and that appreciate over time. It could be the S&P 500, it could be real estate, it could be venture capital. I do all of that because for me, I would rather not keep my money in the bank other than a nest egg to protect myself because I'm losing money to inflation every single day. It makes no sense. But with day trading, so long as you have a repeatable strategy, The opportunities are endless. There are days that I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in a single day trading, which will pop up on the screen right now. It is very far and few between that you make hundreds of thousands of dollars a day in investing unless you have a big amount in there. Pretty much, guys, you have to determine what type of trader are you. Do you like more risk? Do you like more reward? Do you like being more passive? Do you like being more safe? And depending on those answers, you'll be able to determine if you want to be a day trader or an investor. So let me know if you guys like this video. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'm going to include some videos of me live trading, and leave a comment of the next video you want to see from me. Thanks, guys, and see you next time.